Hello everyone. Hello everyone. See you on morning everyone. Hello. Hello everyone. See you on morning. As you all know, it's been a year till 2020 lockdown has been, and yet most of us are not being able to get back to our normal routine. Most of us promise to get back to our routine, promise to be fit, but we can't. We are unable to maintain our fitness. Most of us don't realize that working from home is making us lethargic. We're not being able to be active. So today we are having a live session with Miss Simran Khosla. She's a fitness and a sports nutritionist. She has worked with more than 4,000 people in 33 countries in past 4 years. She is using her social media account to promote health and fitness and wellness to everyone. She has more than 60,000 followers in her account. She found her passion in the fitness and wellness industry. There is no stopping her right now. She represented India at the Women Economic Forum in 2019, and she has also won the Entrepreneur of Women in Health and Fitness in the year of 2020. We are glad to have her with us. Let's welcome Ms. Simran Khosla. Hello. Hello
Hi,
Simran ji. How are
hi.
you?
I'm good. How are you?
Hope you are doing good, Simran ji.
Yes, I am. Yes. Can you hear me properly?
No, it's a bit little low.
It's a little. Okay. Is it better? Any better now?
Yeah, a little better.
Just a second. Yeah, can you hear me now?
Yeah, now it is proper.
Perfect.
Hi. So as everyone knows, in today's era, fitness is really important in today's pandemic time. Since everyone is working from home, and everyone is inactive, has been lethargic. So, like according to you, what do you feel like? What is the actual meaning of fitness in today's world, in an era, and what is the importance of fitness in today's era?
I think people have a very sedentary lifestyle these days, knowing that we have to sit all day long. Like I've also been working since morning. Getting that movement is important, and I think from the past generations that is lacking a lot. Like we don't move, we just sit and work and eat. So I think movement is a very important aspect of fitness, plus also eating well. From people have changed ghar ka khana to anything now, like going back to the roots, eating basically what is closer to the nature. That's something is fitness to me. Otherwise, getting
Right.
abs or building muscles or doing extra push-ups is just a part of fitness. For me, this is actual fitness. If I'm feeling good about myself, my skin looks good. There are no hormonal issues. My hair is not falling. So that is what fitness to me. Yeah.
Okay. So, like, what are the kind of foods according to you, we should avoid? So that at least we are not feeling lethargic, we'll feel more active. What kind of foods we need to avoid?
I think stay
So that
away from more refined flours, like having more of, maida. Everything has corn flour, maida in it. Be it anything, so we have to avoid it. Have something which is again closer to the nature. Like you need to have your fruits, your vegetables instead of buying packaged foods. Even biscuits, namkeens. I don't even remember the last time I had them. So I just keep avoiding them only because I know that they're not going to do any good in the body. सबसे पहली चीज which I feel is very important for people is that they need to read the ingredients and understand अगर ये लोग खाना खाएंगे इससे energy कितनी मिल रही है, what is that food doing in our body. So that's something that I focus on, and anything that is not giving you that kind of energy, I think it's bad.
All right. So like, what is the best time to work out? मतलब एकदम वर्कआउट करने के लिए बेस्ट टाइम क्या है, मतलब आपके हिसाब
Whenever
से?
whenever you feel like working out. Now probably after this call I'm going out for my run, so because I'm getting that time I'm utilizing it. So be it night,
Okay.
morning, evening, whatever time is comfortable for you, use that. Otherwise, everything is just you can just sit down and just say मैंने morning में नहीं किया तो छूट गया है, अगले दिन करूँगी, जब time मिल रहा है तब कर दो. That's the best time, whatever suits you.
Okay. So how to like plan out workouts, like day to day, everyday's life, so that you can be more active in day to day life.
Firstly, just count the number of steps that you are walking. You have your phone all the time. Download some apps like Pacer or Adidas Runners or any app that shows the number of steps. So you can, you have your phone at all times. So you can record the number of steps. Plus, obviously, focus on weight training. It's the most important thing to weight train. The whole body composition changes while weight training. So you need to do that. Plus, 2 days for extra movement. So I include running in my workouts. I do some high intensity workouts. Yeah.
All right. So like during workouts, if suppose we are doing workouts, so what to eat before workout and what to eat after workout, मतलब ऐसा कोई स्पेसिफिक है क्या कि हम लोग को खाने वर्कआउट से पहले क्या खाना है, वर्कआउट के बाद क्या खाना
First,
है?
you need to have something which is simple carbs. Simple carbs may, you can get fruits that increases your energy
All
एकदम से,
right.
right? Similarly, after workout, just have a meal that is rich in protein and rich in carbohydrates, so that your body replenishes the glycogen stores. जब भी workout में आपकी energy गई है, वो आपको वापस चाहिए, right? Muscles break down हुआ है, so something which is high in protein. People even prefer a protein shake, or you can go for 2 whole eggs. You can have coconut water, so anything that actually works for you.
ओके. तो मतलब हाउ टू इनकलकेट, जैसे एवरी डे में फिटनेस कैसे इनकलकेट करें, मतलब एवरी डे तो यू नीड टू बी एक्टिव,
Yeah.
तो उसके लिए एवरीडे कैसे इनकलकेट करे, खुद को कैसे मोटिवेट करे कि हाँ एवरीडे आई नीड टू वर्क आउट, लाइक आई नीड टू मेक इट अ नॉर्मल डेली रूटीन,
I
लाइक
think
हाउ
when
टू
you
इनकलकेट
realize,
दैट.
yeah, when you realize that it is as important as breathing, I always talk about it. Your movement is very, very important. अगर आप breathe कर रहे हो, आप खा रहे हो, for example, if you have a car, आप उसमें fuel डालते हो, अगर उस कार को चलाओगे नहीं तो ultimately कार खराब हो जाएगी. Right? Similarly, body में हम खाना डाल रहे हो और उसको चला नहीं रहे, so that's the whole point. आपका weight कम हो जाएगा, you might lose extra kilos also, but that's not the point. You have to make it move. So, do a proper run. If you can't work out, you can't lift weights, at least go and do body weight training or go and run. That's very important.
Okay, so like could you give us few tips,
Uh,
to motivate ourselves to do everyday workouts, like how to start or how to go about.
the first time, but obviously motivation comes way after once you start doing. I think this discipline that you're talking about, just writing in a diary if you're not able to work out for a week. So just make sure you're working out 3 days in a week. Then you're working out 4 days in a week. So that's how you plan your workouts. Like after COVID, it was very tough for me to, work out again. But I made sure okay, I'm starting with my 10 minutes, 20 minutes of workout. And now I'm again reached that stage where I can easily run 10 kilometers. So again, within a month or so, I built up my stamina so that I can run again. So that's something that you have to really find out for yourself. Slow steps. I didn't actually start working out after my COVID. I took time, took 5, 6 days to actually do stretching exercises, light workout. Then I switched to something else. So those two things that you have to like build up for yourself.
Like, okay, so how do you want to, start the workouts? Like, with what basic, like from like kind of a running or household exercises or something like that?
Yeah, I mean, सबसे पहले तो अपने steps increase करने की कोशिश करो. For example, if you're not walking, just start walking. That's the first step. Second is start
Okay.
jogging. Third is do jogging and then do some squats. Then after do jogging, squats and some push-ups. So you're including exercises slowly. So पुशअप्स के बाद यू कैन डू burpees. So slowly and steadily अपनी रूटीन में ऐड कर रहो, आपका स्टैमिना बढ़ते रहेगा. स्टैमिना बढ़ेगा so you can do more. That, yeah.
All right. So, do you want to give our viewers, all of us, any kind of tips from your end?
See, the only thing that I follow, I just stay away from refined food. I try my maximum, like 90% of the time, I'm just having normal food, nothing which is processed. So the only tip is stay away from refined food. जितना ज़्यादा refined food खाओगे उतने आपके energy levels low होंगे, and again you won't be able to perform the workout.
But then, see, in today's generation, they are into more of junk foods, outside foods.
या
Then, how
सबसे
will
पहले
that
अपनी
be?
सबसे पहले ये जो फूड ऑर्डरिंग ऐप से डिलीट कर दो. I do honestly, when I keep it again, कुछ भी होता है, you open that food ordering app and then you are like, अब क्या order करूँ? सबसे पहले delete those food ordering apps. I think that's the best thing because कोविड के टाइम पे वैसे ही बाहर नहीं जा पा रहे, सिर्फ खाने घर पे आएगा, so rather delete it. Delete it and not download it. I know you can download it again, but please don't download it. And delete करने से ये फायदा होता है because see, everything requires an effort. आपको book करना है, फिर से download करना है. So for a month, I deleted my food ordering apps and I saw that my habits were changing. When I was inclined towards ordering more food, so I deleted that. So that's how it works. So one tip तो ये सारी apps delete कर दो घर पे. That's it.
Okay. So let's take up few two three comments. If there are any kind of questions, if any of viewers have or not.
Sure. So Anurag is asking about, please elaborate about refined foods. Refined food वो हो गया जो आपके नेचुरल फॉर्म में नहीं आ रहा है, राइट? फॉर एग्जाम्पल अगर आप पिज्जा बेस लेते हो, पिज्जा बेस कम्प्लीटली रिफाइंड है, नेचुरली नहीं हो पाया ये, राइट? सिमिलरली इफ यू हैविंग अ चिकन पैटीज अगेन चिकन को पूरा रिफाइंड प्रोसेस करके एक चिकन पैटी बनाया. फॉर एग्जाम्पल इफ यू हैविंग मैकडोनल्ड से खाना खा रहे हो, जस्ट फॉर एग्जाम्पल, उनका पूरा सब कुछ प्रोसेस है. अब ना इफ यू हैविंग आलू कितना ब्लेम किया हुआ है, जब आलू को काट कर कॉर्नफ्लावर में डाल कर देन फ्राइंग इट, दैट इज दी हार्म. लेकिन आलू आप बॉइल्ड फॉर्म में सब्जी के फॉर्म में खा रहे हो, दैट इज नॉट हार्मफुल. सो अंडरस्टैंड दीज आर द रिफाइंड एंड प्रोसेस्ड फूड्स. जिसको जैसे बिस्किट है, फॉर एग्जाम्पल बिस्किट आटा से बना है, राइट? या ओट्स का बिस्किट बना है, लेकिन अगर आप ओट्स खा रहे हो तो नेचुरल फॉर्म में कम प्रोसेसिंग हुई है ओट्स को बनाने के लिए, लेकिन वो बिस्किट की फॉर्म में आके इतना प्रोसेस हो चुका है. सो दैट्स समथिंग दैट वी नीड टू फोकस ऑन एंड अवॉइड.
Right. That's it.
Someone is like, how can I control appetite? Okay, firstly, appetite control you, and I need to do some sort of fasting. जब आप फास्ट करोगे, the body goes in a mode where after 2-3 days it can't be eating that much of food. So ultimately, appetite suppressed होती रहेगी. After COVID, I realized so many people gain weight, but I actually utilized that time of eating healthy and not focusing too much on junk. So I made sure, because I knew that people can gain weight. I knew the medicines will work that way, so I didn't force myself to eat that much. I controlled myself because there was no activity also. I was just in bed for 13 to 15 days. So I utilized that time to make sure that I'm still doing mindful eating. Thoda bahut you can have because taste buds are like that, but 80% of the time just focus on eating healthy. Priya is asking, does any of these fat diets work? Not at all. Maybe आपको starting में result मिल जाएगा प्रिया इसका, पर उसके बाद you won't be able to continue it for long. Because आप keto कर लो, low carb कर लो, ultimately you will come back and eat your paratha, ultimately you will come back and eat rice. So it doesn't really work. I have never tried it. I've not even measured my food ever. I don't get on a big scale. After 2 years of checking my food and I'm still at the same weight. So that's how you have to like focus and maintain. जिससे मैंने ज़्यादा खाया, I should be knowing that next day I have to control it or work out.
Right,
So
right.
that's something I have to.
Exactly.
Yeah. So वो खुद ही माइंड दिमाग में आता था कैसे कंट्रोल करने की, मैंने इतना खाया है नहीं, तो रात को कैसे बैलेंस काम करना है. So you learn throughout the process.
Right, that is true.
Someone is asking, how about intermittent fasting for weight loss? Okay, so any diet that you follow should be a caloric deficit. इंटरमिटेंट हो, कीटो हो, लो कार्ब हो, नॉर्मल डाइट हो, अगर वो कैलोरीज कम नहीं है उस डाइट की जितनी आपकी बॉडी को कंज्यूम करना चाहिए, नो डाइट शुड वर्क. अगर इंटरमिटेंट फास्टिंग में आपने उतनी कैलोरीज खाई हैं तो कोई फायदा नहीं हुआ इंटरमिटेंट फास्टिंग करने का. One is asking, Someone is saying don't eat rice at night. Okay, doesn't it's a big myth. आपके पूरे दिन में कितनी कैलोरी कंजम्पशन है वो मैटर करता है. रात को स्पेसिफिकली आप क्या खा रहे हो डजंट मैटर. यस, डाइजेशन के हिसाब से मैटर करता है, बट राइस इज द मोस्ट इजीली डाइजेस्टेबल ग्रेन, सो यू कैन ऑलवेज हैव राइस एट नाइट. People who have stomach issues, bloating issues, constipation, I tell them to have rice at night. It's very good for the body. Um, Someone asking, can I replace workout with yoga? Okay, yoga would be a very slow process if you want to lose weight. You can add yoga plus some sort of cardio. Also, you can go out for a run or go out for a jog. That's something that will help you. Yes, black coffee as a pre-workout gives you that kind of kick and just wakes you up. So yes, it gives you. It is recommended to have before workout instead of taking any pre-workout supplement. Black coffee is good. Yes, so I have not tried apple cider vinegar tablets, so I don't know about those. So I take apple cider vinegar in the liquid form at times, but not the tablets. Diksha is asking, take on weight loss plateau. Okay, so it happens with a lot of people. Everyone after a certain point reaches a plateau. उस plateau को break करने के लिए you have to do something different from what you're doing. For example, you have a proper routine of food. You have to break that. For example, go on a fast. Right? For example, increase your workouts. That's how you break that plateau. And it won't break in a day. You have to keep doing it for a week or two, and then you see the body is reacting. आपको body को shock करना पड़ता है. Okay, this is something that I can do also. So that's something that you can work on.
All right, so I'll see. What can be given after workout to teenage boys as they feel hungry?
You can
Some
go
pile.
bananas. You can go for having bananas, coconut water with the pulp. You can have, any other fruit. If you want to have something high in protein, probably a egg burrito. Something would be good for teenage boys, to get the energy back.
Okay, so what are the foods are best to build strength, especially the upper body?
I think ऐसे कोई specific food नहीं होता है. Proper intake of protein, carbohydrates, fat is something which is very important for building strength. So there's not a particular food, but yes, foods high in protein like eggs, chicken, you can include that. Carbohydrates, you need to take some sort of rice for building the muscles. Fat, of course, you need to consume nuts and ghee.
Does only strength training works for the weight loss?
Of course, it does very well. It will help you burn a lot of fat percentage. But you have to keep continuing it. Muscles sore, only tired, you will feel tired, but it's very, very important for you to do weight training. It really helps in weight loss. In my starting journey, I just focus on weight training. Like recently, I started running 3 years back, but before that, I was just into complete weight training.
Okay, so how about hydroxy fat cutter?
Not much about it at all. I don't take any fat cutters. I just focus on eating healthy. Doing consistently what I'm doing, I've not even taken a single fat burner till date. No, I don't think so.
Best
It shows on your face any supplement, you will start looking different, and I'm sure you don't want that.
Okay, so someone is asking what is the best fat burner drink?
None at all. There's no fat burner drink for belly fat. Only a consistent pattern of following a diet. Consuming more of water, having more of green vegetables is the only solution to lose fat.
Right. Can I take apple cider pixa tablets?
Like I told you earlier, also, no, I have not tried it, so I can't comment on that. Not tried it.
Okay.
Lemon water as soon as we wake up. See, benefit is only that you are just having in the morning, gives you a good kick in the morning, helps you cleanse and feel light. So that's the only benefit. It will not help you in losing weight. It will not help you in checking out the belly fat.
Alright, so can I have a cinnamon drink as a pre-workout drink?
Cinnamon is not a pre-workout drink. No. You can either have black coffee or a green tea which has a little of caffeine, but not cinnamon.
Okay. So what kind of food we need to avoid during the rainy season?
See, especially cauliflower and cabbage, I guess, because they have a lot of insects in ingredients. So including these juices and avoid that. That's my suggestion. And also, when you're eating fruits or something, vegetables, just make sure it doesn't have any sort of insects in them.
Okay. Does eating a lot of chillas create bloating?
Of course, it does because cholas and chanas have properties that cause bloating. So when you like want to have besan chila or something, just make sure the quantity is limited. You can't be having more than 3, 4 in a day. I mean, I would just say stop at 2. That's it.
So, for how long one should take apple cider vinegar in the morning hours?
Just 3, 4 times a week, not more than that, because it's really sour and it can affect your tooth. So avoid.
Okay.
Exercise
All right.
morning or night.
Yeah.
So
So
anytime
yeah,
that is
it was
for you.
a great help from you, Miss Simranji. Like I
Thank
hope everyone is motivated, and most probably everyone will apply in their day-to-day life to be
you.
more active. Yeah. Thanks a lot for joining
Okay.
us. Thanks for motivating us. Thanks a
Thank
lot.
you. Thank you.